esta, viejo? Hi, lovelies. So, today we are attempting to make, as you can see, sweet potato fries. So first, I'm going to cut the fries. My nails. Just look at my pinky. Like, oh my god, what is it doing over there? But my nails is nice. Done by Fancy Nails on Instagram, guys. Go check her out. So I'm just cutting the potato into larger wedges, smaller wedges, sorry. And then I'm going to cut them into even smaller wedges to get the fries filled, you know? Okay, so let's do that. We're cutting. You can see that I'm struggling. You can see. Anyways, I put that to soak overnight. This is me draining it off with my strainer. You do that to make it not get back, I guess. I don't know. I just know that you strain it. You put it in the freezer. The fridge, or in water. You don't have to, but in water overnight. I'm washing it again because I'm extra. I'm extra. That's life, you know. If you're not extra, what you doing on here? So this, guys, is all-purpose Jamaican seasoning, which we're going to add to our sweet potato and give it a shake. So, yep. Shake it up. After doing all that extraness, now we're going to move on. Okay, we're giving you a view. Guys. We're giving you a view. Wipe out the container. If it's wet, you know, make sure to wash your containers, guys. Now we throw in the fries. Make sure it is spaced out. Make sure each fry have its own space to cook in the oven. Yup, my nails nice. So yeah, make sure I'm just playing around with it for a bit to make sure that everybody have their own space. Now we're going in with our vegetable oil. We don't need a lot, like 2 corks would be fine. I think I used 1 in the video. So now I'm just putting it over all the fries. Okay, so yeah, 2 corks. Making sure each fry gets a bit of it. If it doesn't, no problem, because we're going to use butter. We're going to use butter. Chiffon butter. So I'm going to take a spoon because I don't want to put my finger in the pan. So we're going to use a spoon. Of course, it's going to be hard to come off the spoon. It's hard because it's butter. What uncultured people don't know that. So anybody who's coming at me because, oh my god, you have on nails, that's why it's hard to come out. No, it's butter, and that's what happens. Anyways, make sure to subscribe, guys. So after putting in the butter, now we're going to add some salt. This is me giving you a view. Drizzle that one in, give it some spice. Go add some salt. Don't mind my missing nail, guys. Don't mind my missing nail. me being extra. Okay, so look at it. It looks great. It looks great. Now we're putting it in the oven and it baked for 30 minutes. Some will take longer, some will be shorter. It all depends. Just continue to check it and you'll know exactly what time to take it out. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.